this ever happen to you? 3 o'clock in the morning, you're trying to go to sleep, the car goes off. We're gonna talk about it with this Volvo XC90 first generation. Problem number one has to do with the maintenance reset light. If you've owned your Volvo for a long time and that maintenance light has always been on, there's a reason. Volvo made a mistake and the procedure was wrong. So you've had an oil change and you want to shut it off. The new procedure from Volvo is pretty long. You can check it out on our website and we'll show you how to do it. Problem number two has to do with the SAS sensor, which is the steering angle sensor. And most of the time it just means it's faulty and you need to replace it. In order to find that out, you're going to go down to your local shop, or if you have a scan tool, you can do it yourself. And you're just going to make sure that it's working properly. If it's not, replace it. Getting back to the alarm going off and on at times, you can also have starting issues intermittently, and that has to do with problem number three, which is water leakage trickling down and entering the ECM, the electronic control modules of this vehicle. And it kind of zaps it out and makes the alarms go off, or it makes it so you can't start your vehicle. So how do you fix it? You're going to look around your vehicle on the body, and there's little channels where water trickles down and drains out. And you're going to go to the lowest part of the car where those holes are, and there's usually plugs that you can unplug, get debris out, get whatever you need, check your weather stripping while you're at it, make sure that's intact. If while you're in there you find that you need new weather stripping, you can always order it on 1A Auto. Problem number four, we're talking about catalytic converters. What happens with these cars is they pop a code PO420 and it says the catalytic converter's efficiency isn't right. It could just be an exhaust leak, and you can check that yourself. It's pretty easy. You just hook up a wet dry vac, have it on blow, make sure that you've soaked down your exhaust pipe with soapy water, and as it blows in, it should blow bubbles. If that happens, it's an exhaust leak. Just fix it. If it's not an exhaust leak, you're gonna have to go ahead and replace that catalytic converter. Problem number five is still cheaper than buying a new car, so you might wanna listen. These cars have an issue with their transmissions. It could be fixable, it could not be. You may just have to replace it. Worst case. But the valve bodies go, and sometimes the electronics go. Either way, the transmissions on these vehicles aren't the best, and you probably have to get it fixed.